Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. There are many requests to make a video about the new pledging system. So, let me try to explain as simple as possible. Right now, what is the system? Let us say there is a broker and he has got 10 clients, and all the 10 clients, they have 1 crore worth of shares they want to pledge. In the process of pledging, the shares will be actually transferred to your broker's account. You will take 1 crore worth of shares from all the 10 people, and all the 10 crore worth of shares will go to the broker's demat account. Then from there, he will be pledging it to the clearing corporation. So the clearing corporation will know that 10 crore from the broker. They don't bother from each client how much money came. So the broker will be given limit for 10 crore. Assume that out of the 10 people, 5 people are not trading. Remaining 5 people only trading. There is a possibility that broker's 10 crore limit, he will give 2 crore to each of those 5 people. And assume that there is some big disaster happens and all of them, they lost the entire money. Their money is only 1 crore, but they lost 2 crore. So the total money is 10 crore from 10 different people, but 5 people have lost 2 crore each. There is a loss of 10 crore. The clearing corporation will take away the 10 crore worth of shares. Now what the broker will do? Broker is answerable to the 5 people who have given 1 crore, and that shares are also lost. And then the broker will file for bankruptcy. Once the broker files for bankruptcy, you cannot do anything. And of course, if you have lost it, you can ask NSE to pay out of Investor Protection Fund. But Investor Protection Fund can pay a maximum of 25 lakh rupees or your actual loss, whichever is lower. So you have lost 1 crore, then you will get only 25 lakh rupees. You can assume that 25 lakh is a sort of insurance. So this is one problem, and this is what exactly happened in cases of Carvey and BMA Wealth Creator. Now, the second problem, if I have shares in my demat account, whenever the dividends are declared, the dividend will come directly to my bank account. But now, if I transfer my shares to my broker's demat account for pledging, what happens? The shares are in broker's demat account, so all the dividend will go to broker only. Then the broker will have to pass on the dividend to you. There were some complaints, some brokers, they forget to transfer the dividend, etc. So now the SEBI has devised a new way where your shares will be in your demat account only. The shares will not be physically moving to your broker's account, and you have to click the pledging. The broker will provide you the interface where you can go their back office, you can click all the shares and you can pledge it. And when you pledge it, you will be getting one-time password to your mail ID as well as your mobile number. And then in the CDSL page, you have to enter that one-time password. Then the pledge will be created. Once the pledge is created, the next day onwards, you can use that margin. So in a way, the shares are lying in your demat account, and it's something like a lien mark. The pledge will be created, and then you can trade. So what are the benefits? Number one, your broker may not be able to misuse your shares. And second thing, the dividends and everything will come directly to your bank account. So these are the two major benefits. I hope you enjoyed the video. So wait for my next video about the new intraday margin rules from the SEBI effective from December 1. Thank you for watching.